go! Ayun, nauna na yung aso ko, guys. Become the... So, Bobo become the leader. Wait. Ayan, ala. Let's go, Bobo. Oh, be careful. You can hear. Hi guys, yan, may yellow butterfly. Ayan, you can. Oh yeah, yes, go. Ayan. Ayun na. Nag-enjoy sila, nagkuha sila ng butterfly. Ang ganda-ganda ng music. Ang saya. Doon sa baba. Ayan. Building, dyan kami nang galing, and then pagdating namin dito sa bundok, sa kabila pala yung beach, oh ayun, my airplane wants to go back home. Hello Philippines, I very miss you. So that is the bridge going to China. Wow, oh that is China. So how great is your art, oh Lord. So this is the art of Mom. Yes, only in the other side. I don't know. We have this view. So one time I am only there. So only now, the first time I see. Wow. Yes. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. Wow. So look like that is going to China. That is the bridge going to China, guys. So beautiful. Andito lang kami. Wow, I do not know of this view here. Lantau Island. that is China, guys. China. So that is the bridge going to China.
Yes.
That one.
Yes, the bus.
The bus. Yeah. Yes. Wow, Baba have friend here. Yes, Baba also have friend. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Hi guys. Ayan, parang nakarating na rin ako sa China. Ayun yung hello. Wow! Yes! They're shouting. You go. Yes! 1, 2, 3, go! You go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sabi, you say yes! Mas malakas naman ang iyaw ko. Okay. So, yan guys. Ang saya ng mga bata. Every Friday, ganun. Kung maganda ang panahon, lumalabas ang mga bata. Sinasama nila kami ng aking aso. So, my life is not boring. Nagkakaroon din ng chance to be with them. Excited to go outside. Nagkakaroon ako ng energy in 1 week. Pag nakita mo kasi ang isang bata, children are gift. Nagbibigay sila ng buhay sa atin. Kahit wala yung mga anak natin sa atin, look like pinaparamdam ni Lord ba na ang mga bata ang inspirasyon natin, kaya tayo lumayo. Kaya yung mga bata na binibigay niya sa atin ngayon, they are also gift. So we need to appreciate our blessings. Ating mga anak, sila naman ang inspirasyon natin na maghanap buhay para sa kinabukasan nila, para maganda ang buhay nila. So our children are our precious gem. They are our gift. Ang saya-saya guys. Huyen is dancing. Shaking bad. What? Linjay. Grade 1, grade 2. Kaya sa dalawang beses para tinuro, grade 2 at grade 3. So yung grade 2 teacher, and then next year again is grade 3. So yan, double ang ano na. So a lot of lights. Parang Christmas light lang guys. Parang yung building ayan na oh. Ready na kayo guys, mag-exercise. Kasi ngayon, maganda ang panahon, hindi mainit. Ayun. Careful. Watching, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.